wetin I dey tell you now na one person wey dey call e dey call when you say person dey line na e dey carry the call enter the program e come dey distract wetin I dey do. So I believe say this person na wey distract wetin I dey do. I dey go on something, person dey distract come dey make this thing dey distract. Na make am so I come up make I say make dem not call messenger na see whether you be I know wetin I wan call you wey be say you carry dey disturb with your call when I dey program. So na make you see say the call wey call just now, the man wey dey call just now, whether na see I wan call am wey begin dey call the calls for the inside the program. You understand? Abeg, if you know say you get sense, no dey call through messenger. If you know say you no get sense, abeg na you fit dey call. Person dey on program, you dey call through messenger. I no know wetin dey do this person wey dey call through messenger. And wetin I dey talk, e come dey call put come distract my attention. This person wey call put just now, my secretary, the topic, place it back there and let people take it there. Please make una sorry because na person wey dey call just now wey make the wey cause distraction for this thing just now. Whether na see na I wan call am, na him call wey cause this problem just now. Una hear? E dey call through Uyedo. Na Uyedo e call just now. That particular person, may I call my secretary, may block am. I know I make secretary block that number wey call dey do one call Uyedo talk show. Secretary dey look am that side, dey call, dey distract me, come dey affect this side. May I tell my secretary, please, for Uyedo talk show, block that number. Is that this thing? Hello, abeg block that number wey be na see just now wey dey call. You operate with Uyedo there. You know say dey distract. I know say the messenger for Uyedo dey online with me here. Dey distract me. Hello, you don't block am. If I call you, dey distract me. Repeat my topic here. Block the number. Block the person. If dey call Uyedo, he no know say Uyedo as you the operator and all the system dey work with me here. Block am back. Okay, Mona, sorry, my secretary say don't block am. But this person dey distract me for the topic of today. Una see am maybe say make I by myself we post am there again because I put topic there. This person e dey call through this thing, so e come dey distract me. Dey call through Uyedo and Uyedo see on my phone here. Uyedo is still there. If my secretary no pick am, they go dey distract me here. Na e come dey affect me here. So I put now since I put new WhatsApp number. Uyedo, my secretary, please, abeg, place the number back there. I put Italian WhatsApp number just now. I want me to put the number back. You understand? Good morning, everybody. I want place computers. I want put them for the program so that make una know say see where wetin I dey do. Make I for paste am for the program. Make you put my number there. You understand? Now make I say make una make it okay. Una see the topic now I put there. So I see the topic and I put back to there again. So make una for no, I don't place down there back. So everybody, I want you to stay with this topic where I bring come back here. What did I do? It's like I move the topic again. Okay, it's there. So Uyedo talk show, please. I better put the topic there again as I put on. You understand? I don't see I'm back. So now the law I want to tell una so. Make una put the topic there back. Make I take the topic back again. So that before I begin talk on this particular law, wey be say e don place. Everybody, we need to, all Nigeria wey dey Europe, we need to dey careful for wetin we dey do. When person place law, and that law e go affect everybody, both you, both me, e go affect all of us. Na make I come talk say make all of us make we use our brain. You understand? Make we use our brain wey be say we no go fall for trap. Whether you get document or you no get document, e don talk am. So una see the topic there, una see the WhatsApp number too, e dey there. Una call Italian WhatsApp number dey there. Una fit call secretary. Dem say make you greet dem o. Secretary don greet una. So today na make I wan talk more. So this advice na for all Nigeria. Make we for get sense, make we no go fall for trap, make we no go enter where we no suppose to enter. Because when law don when the new government set law, e dey go affect everybody. Okay, the topic is there. Thank you, Doka. So una see the topic now. So anybody wey go fall for trap, e go bear am with himself. Now make I come talk say make we Nigeria wey dey Italy, both you wey fit say you get document, you get this thing, na allow you need to use your brain so that make we all change. Because as e don praise the law now, law wey fit affect even though you dey work, e come give power, e come law na come say na to face on immigrant. Both you wey dey work, you go dey careful, because this law wey this man begin make na to affect foreigner. E doesn't care about the immigrant. So I come wan advise my people, no be say you get document you come say you wan go do wetin you no suppose. Both you wey get e say na to deport. As e don make that, like e don talk am according to the constitution of this party, na e dey follow. So and me now, I come say wan let all my people know, my fans out there know, make una know say as this man don talk am, we go desist from a lot of things. Now make I continue with the topic well. Now the new prime minister of Italy, he can't come out with his own law now, because he say as he promise when he dey contest, na small he wan do. So based on the fact say na wetin he promise, and he must fulfill that promise so that the party go dey happy with it. Because na wetin they do now, party dey against immigrant, na wetin we dey see na be that. So now my country people, Nigeria living in Italy, please I want you to share to get to all Nigeria. If e don make law, see am first of all, we wey fit say we dey work, if you dey work, if you misbehave, small misbehave, you give power to a different company now to fit mess foreigner up. If you make anything pen, you say maybe they do it and na your right to say make they drive foreigner for the work, make they put italic. He say if Italy never get work, immigrant not supposed to dey get work for the country. When I listen to wetin he talk or tell you, he no either, he no shame talk am. As a president, a prime minister, he make am clear to you immigrant, if their citizens never get work, he no go. Princess Mazubu, you say me here to go away. Wetin happen? Wetin you do, Princess Mazubu? Wetin you say to do, So when president don make that kind of law, say even though you dey work, you get work, if you make pian, they go drive you. Maybe you talk working na your right before now, but now na input can say you no even want make immigrant. Okay, don dey happen for your plate now, Alessia Elizabeth. You see, okay. It don't make am. Now, then when you suppose use you as an immigrant as a slave now. So who gets a may use the brain now? He come and say as a full racist, you know, I down to you. If you get document, first of all, deal my first go step by step. you get work, you get your right, because you get right when you get for work. Maybe your boss will do you want tell us no, but if you talk, the boss get right to sack you immediately, because the prime minister give the power to do anything doable to immigrant, to foreigner. May put to people. He say how can a foreigner get work? Their citizens never get work. He say no, you know, like any foreigner made they sack them for work. With your topic. So my people, wait dey Italy, I can't give this advice to all of you now. No office where you get work, may you misbehave now. This man no want make foreigner work back by himself, and the same man make law. If you get documents, when I watch this kind of, you no get work, they will collect the document for you and deport you. Una here, you get document, you no go work, they will collect the document, say they will deport you. Una here, no. He say no clear. You if you say you get document, maybe you dey stay road work, dey stay anywhere, make everybody, those who dey do commit other sorts of crime for Europe, make we try to move our hand, because this man just dey after to deport immigrants. Una see I say go Milano that day. Milano, those from the cities of Milano was good. They fight against and say racist as they come down for car. But he forget say some worker wey immigrant dey do for here country, if people no fit work am, and that be the problem wey he forget say some work wey immigrant dey do, if people no fit do am, but he dey say make dem sack immigrant for work. You know, make dem sack immigrant for work, make people become work. So when I say this kind of law wey this man made, na law wey be say you want to fuck immigrant up. Now me I come out and ambassador, we here to talk show to pass the message to my people wey dey the country Italy. Make them careful. You wey the bed screen wey even take camp, they put you for camp, you no wan concentrate, or make you dey say anyone wey even take camp, wey take camp wey no concentrate on the program wey they put am. He said Italy has been a racist country from the beginning, so I am not surprised. You wey dey put you for camp, your program, you know they do your program, automatically if they catch you in Africa, you know say you dey cry say Nigeria no good, you know say you dey cry say we get bad leader. You now make you concentrate on your program. You wey dey camp, concentrate on your program. You understand? Concentrate on your program. Maybe say you get the document. If you get the document, focus on the school they put you. Because when you see, say when the say when bad leader dey power, everybody need to behave well. May anybody may we not go fall for trap. That time you second we call say na our own problem. We will say na family problem. But someday we will use our own cause. Now make we say wetin we hear now. We go use suffering, then we go use brain. We will stay clear from a lot of things. Because this man don't prove saying a racist to you. You know Adam. He let you know in a racist. You immigrant, you're not supposed to even the work where people dey will never get work. You will get document. See, Mona see the kind law. Okay, you get document. You say we talk on the border. Okay, who get document now? You say if you don't see work, don't see the portal document for you. Which one come and make people dey for the two now? Who get work go dey problem? Who get document will not go see the problem? Those when they shook up or something, make everybody careful. You say, understand? So this issue, I see person talk say e don dey start, don dey happen. Automatically it's taking place live and direct because the prime minister don make announcement. Art mechanic, they watch telling now. You don't see whether they are join news. You watch telling now, you watch news. You hear whether na art mechanic you call yourself or whether you dey repair art for you be mechanic of the kidney or of the heart of the lungs. You according to you not use your name, you say you be art mechanic. You be mechanic for art. So what? Listen to news, listen to the constitution wey you read. May I talk to art mechanic? Art mechanic, when he read law, in constitution, he say I stood by the promise I make during the what? The campaign of the what? Election. Now I have come to fulfill that particular thing written down, which is binding according to their constitution what of their party. Now it stated immigrants will start to deliberate on her. So as he don talk am, if una remember when they first dey deport, when the former president before Berlusconi take care from am, that one come talk say deportation e dey bring economic down. When too much of deportation come make them lost money. Now in man no be say first wey wan deport no be say deportation no easy o. Commit the crime make say e carry 5 this week e deport am. Okay, you dey repair the woman. He say I dey repair the woman when their husband and boyfriend break their heart. Okay, thank you mechanic, art mechanic. The one wey their husband and boyfriend break their heart, he say they repair am. Okay, oh good. So my people, who no know, you know say country dey deport, go dey pick 5 people, 10 people dey deport small small. Dem say dem no dey deport until e come to where near you, na you know say dey deport. If they never catch you dey near you, no go know say they deport you. Lucinda, have a good morning. You know say they never catch you dey near you, you no go know say they deport. Now when they come closer to person wey na there you shout, hey, they deport my person. My brothers, my sister, this advice wey I come give una, make una remove hand from crime, because now this man, the constitution wey he put, na party wey dey sit there against racist, against foreigner. But me come pass advice to my people because of this issue wey dey go on. So since the man keep on dey talk on the issue for telly, if dey keep on dey talk am, we need to what? Use our common sense. E get one person wey come there, I come dey tell am something for somewhere that say, my brother, this thing dem dey deport o. He come say this I come do, but at the when they deport am, I come tell am, he come go waka just from Fulapara train station to Via Verde. Na that they hold am. And they deport am now. Wetin come know? I dey rake for us now. I come go na and say, see you now. This life they dey take advice. I tell you, you no take. Good morning, Eva Samuyi. At me and I say, man. Now that day I dey tell you, you strain a lie. Because God, it can't go happen to you, but I not pray put to. As it happen to in Nigeria. It's in Nigeria now. But today, who can they blame? So my people, who they fight for road, street everywhere, they do different things, we dey camp, they do nonsense, make we stay clear, make we put our mind, make we do better thing. We come here for a better future. We don't see come here, our parents come dey cry say don't deport us. Thank you, my brother Ivan Samuyi. Whether deport or no deport, stay away from crime. Thank you. It is very, very important. Because now so truth my Lucinda. Because our people they know 1 year word as good morning. Until the something don't happen to them before they call and say the year word. Make we stay away from crime. because when I see say he get president wey go enter country go favour foreigner, he get president wey go enter no favour foreigner. Those wey don dey Europe for years, you go know wetin I dey talk about small. Some president go enter, you go favour foreigner. Some go enter as he talk, you go do am. You na go dey see the issue. E be like say wey Sarah oil wey enter Spain president wey wan comot no. As enter, e your blast passport give everybody before e come change law. Because if you wan help do am, you know say help favour foreigner initially. Maria Jose, na im make am we dey talk this issue. We wey dey Italy here, both who dey work, who no dey work, make we still stay away from crime, make we no fall victim. Wetin I dey talk so, a lot of us dey here dey lis ten, and we go talk am so some go fit say na joke, and the end don go fall for the same victim. If you see most of our enemy wey dem don deport, some dey say I don know, say like say I know I for no do this thing, I for no waka like this. No say we dey na when e never happen na we dey smell good o, but when e happen na then you go know. You go know say Emmanuel Deborah, good morning. When you dey Nigeria na you know say first time you go Nigeria, people go dey wan follow you. When money no dey, na then you know your wetin your mate go tell you. For Nigeria wey me and you know for come, it's better make we behave ourselves well. Make we behave ourselves well, and I will still use this medium tell our people very very well, make we behave well, make we no engage in different crime, make we behave well, so that wetin we come find for this land we go see am. He said all country, not only Italy, away from crime. Yes, stay away from crime. We all country here, we should exist, but we don dey talking about many issues, but this time na time we say advise our people so that make all of us stay away from crime. Yeah, we should know, yes, now our country, yes, whether document or no, we Nigeria should please use our brain. Though it is not easy, but what? But life is small. One day, God Almighty will hear our prayer. Thank you very much, Osanya Friday. Okay? So this way I dey talk, we dey challenge each other since how this way, but this time na when we talk with our people, make we stay away from crime, make we stay away from atrocity wey go lead us where we no suppose be go. Na me come dey tell now I say this na advice, and I be scared. Na me come dey tell now, so this program na to give advice and na to see our brother or our sister wey still dey need of our help. This program we go see the announcer as first do for one woman before, we go see the announcer to the help, to the support the growth of our fellow citizens of Nigeria. Yeah, not be only to talk advice, and I see to help too. You understand? They say nobody wey know the good person hand apart from the sky wey hand no go reach. You understand? Me, I fit come your hand, come demand, beg you for something. You fit come my hand. So, I say person want contribute. Let me pick you, Deborah, Emmanuel Deborah. Maybe you had a contribution to advise people. I've accepted your invitation. Let me hear your opinion, your advice. So those number is there, WhatsApp number. I put Italian WhatsApp number there. I put so let me hear advice from our beloved sister. Good morning. Good morning, Deborah. Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you, my sister. So your opinion is needed. You can go on, right on.
Okay, don't worry. I will boast you back.
You said what?
I said I will boast you, but I'll call you back.
Okay, you don't want to say something now?
No. I just woke up and I saw you online and I said, okay, let me contribute a little.
Yeah, that is why I said you should contribute now. You have already called. You make your contribution.
Please, can I call you back? I'm sorry about that. Please.
Okay, no problem then. Okay,
All
no
right.
problem. Thank you. So she will call back. She just wake up now. She see me online. So my beloved sister, all of us, there's this word from crime. Una good morning. Both Beatrice or Micah, I say everybody here. If na that one, all of us, if we remove our hand from those things, we go get betterment. Our children, we ourselves, good life go dey with us. But when we come, when the foreigner dey racist, the people wey get the country come get racist to you, you yourself dey criticize ourselves automatically. We are nowhere to talk about. So I dey advise everybody, make we Nigerians living in a foreign land, because this is a foreign land to us. We should do away with crime, with atrocity. We should do away with crime, with atrocity. So we should try as much as possible to advise our fellow citizens of Nigeria living in various European countries that should stop kind of nonsense we are performing, kind of atrocity we are committing. We should all do away with it. It doesn't take good of all. The pig is called. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
I see. I don't see 051 landline. Okay.
Okay. I won't contribute more for this.
Okay, you are free.
Topic. You understand?
Yeah.
Because as the just out of it, because you want when I do work.
Yes.
Low.
Low your set. Your phone wait for the watch and lower.
Okay. Because this topic when you bring come to advise foreigners the way they go, the way they go to behave.
Yes.
It's a very good topic. You know why?
Yes.
Because before now, years ago, even when I come this country 10 years ago,
Yes.
if you not get document, you get the way you dey waka. Fear not go even let you even come out
Yes.
to the misbehave, not to talk of say fight or not talk of say quarrel. When you go somewhere, about today, now if I come your house,
Yes.
if you want get house, they put slippers before you enter your house.
Yes.
When you come your house as a visitor, I will follow your footsteps or not.
Yeah. You said what?
No, if I come your house,
Yes.
I see the way you take to enter your house. Maybe you dey put slippers before you enter house.
Yes.
Put your things in order.
Yeah.
As a visitor for your house.
Yes.
I will follow your footsteps or not.
You will follow my footsteps.
If I come your house and you like to put things in order and me dey net your house in order, you dey put your things in order for your house. And me as a visitor when you come, I dey net the house up and down. What did you go do me?
Man, I'll send you out of my house.
Exactly. You've answered the question. That is what Italians are doing to all the foreigners. Because when we come miss them for years, these people, they are very peaceful. You only see, as this way, we foreigners, how many times you don't see
Yes.
Italians that they fight for streets?
Hello. I'm listening. Someone is online. Let the
But
person
they don't
finish.
have to fight for streets because they know the law.
Yes.
Even if a person is supposed to say that they go, they're going to try to look around to know whether
Yeah.
police they come.
Okay.
We don't, you know, many times we don't see people when in this country, they misbehave. Then when we come.
It was good. May I post the number again with the topic? Okay, go on. Is the number there? Yes.
The way we see people do things, we won't change their law. Then when they country, they go go one, go two, but maximum 3, 4. They go take care of them. But now we won't burn the streets. If they don't go give us them, we go start to the fight.
Yes.
Then we know the law. We know law. Country when they for bonus, we don't know the law.
Yes.
Now country when you can't stay. Now you want proof law, give people. Say because you be a Spaniard, so they must respect you.
Yeah.
It doesn't work that way.
At all.
When you come somewhere, you look at where people are living. You even let's not even talk of Europe. If you come to my own state, and you want that you get for every area now.
Yes.
Everybody enter your area. Everybody grow for house now.
Yeah.
Any foreign body enter your area. You want that to the show saying now in 90 guns for that area. Why is it say people when they come meet, they get the way that they do their things. And you know what follow the people. What did they go do? Either they kill out the driver.
Yes, now. It will gold. You can see the number and the WhatsApp number is there at a Very Bright. I've sent it. Yes.
We don't do disrespect them.
Okay.
Now we need help. Now we want to tell them how they want to help us.
Okay.
Why did they come up like this? We push them to the wall.
Okay.
We have pushed them to the wall. And they are retaliating very badly.
Okay.
Because they don't retaliate like this. If you affect everybody, we all know that one. Say, when the thing goes dead, it will affect everybody.
Okay.
So everybody gets dead. Because people when, most of the people when involved for this thing, people when they go home now, not the people when even commit the crime.
Okay.
So everybody should be very careful. Know the kind of people you associate with.
Okay.
Because you associate with the evil people, and then they will not hold the people that even cause the problem. They will hold the evil threat ones.
Okay.
Because when all these ones they go on fighting up and down, go to the station, they go mess up, enter train, they don't go buy tickets, they go begin to beat people when they share tickets, beat everybody. We know say at the end of the day, now like this it go come. Who tell me say not no say one thing?
Yes.
It go come to like this. The person they lie. Because when you push person, even people when you get country now, they are not afraid of even to sleep.
Yes.
A lot of things are going on, and we all with the hear.
Yes.
How person go come meet you for house? If they tell you how you want to leave your house, you don't put fear for their body. You know the issues come with they protest though. Everybody now they protest. That issues come with they protest.
Thank you, my sister. You know this way they talk. So they talk and first they ask me whether not true just now. And they tell us they don't Italy, they don't start. But no, our people know they listen news. They know what they go for the country where they do. They know they watch news. They don't know what they happen for Italy. So and they tell they don't know.
This commute that they protest, and their protest, if you don't reach the governor hand, this commute protest, this one protest, they have come to a final conclusion. They have to keep the citizens. Once the citizens have to be like, they have to stay peacefully. When you say your country, when armed robbers they terrorize, you will come to a point when they say they will go put either they will go bring either firefighter or they go look for means to take stop so that at least people when they die area will feel safe peacefully. For Nigeria, that's what they do. Either they go plan for civil defense, or they go talk about police they die, or they go put patrol team where they patrol everywhere to make sure say safety and so that people will feel stay peacefully for their house.
Okay.
Why did they talk of say these people they are racist, we know. But now when they bring out the racist in them, the peace in them, now when they bring them out.
Okay.
Because not to say they take their house, they walk out the house, not do anything, they go just call you say you they go out. No.
Thank you, caller.
Do something when they say every country gets their laws, their rules. When you break the law, you should be ready for the consequences.
Thank you very much, caller.
I'm sorry it's going to affect a lot of people, but especially the innocent ones. When we come to place, behave yourself. Nigeria this, Nigeria that, Nigeria one, everywhere you go. Other people, they get association now.
Thank you, caller. You have spoken well. So rounding up now.
Everybody now, they get association when they say they're into. There's Nigeria association for Bologna everywhere, where they go. Nowhere, they go use confusion. They better.
Thank you. I go talk about that one because Nigeria Association of Bologna has been given 3 months for the which is next month, which the election need to take place. After then, they will know that there is confusion. There are people.
So you have to. At least something is going on. They say that they are not. You cannot defend them.
So I said no. I said from next month I will talk on that issue. Now make I just pause that one, madam.
Okay.
Thank you very much, caller. God bless you.
Advice. Know the kind of place you go.
Okay.
Especially know the kind of people you mingle with, because at times now the innocent one dey fall victim back.
Thank you.
Very, very careful.
Thank you, madam.
When you say they're not going to do anything, they will say.
Thank you, madam. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye. Ciao. Thank you for your contribution. Ciao, 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 ciao. Hello, good morning, caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, good morning.
Pardon, Olarise.
Both here or Teme.
I want to contribute for the show.
Huh?
For the topic today.
Huh?
I want to contribute for the topic today, sir.
You are free to contribute.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the good topic. So I'm seeing some comments from some guys. I think they are from Italy, which is very bad. If they don't believe that, it's their life. So what I'm trying to say, for me, I live in Deutschland.
Yes.
I don't understand everything sometimes in news. So my children have to explain to me.
Yes.
So now you are explaining to them what is going on. They are still saying something which is, they know what they are doing.
Yes.
Going back to their country, they will go and face their fire again. It's their life, sir.
Yes.
Because who believe the advice, he have to take it. Who don't believe, he have to take it. But for me, I know Europe is still the best.
Thank you very
much. When you
much.
plan your life well, Europe is still the best. Before any Africa will become Europe, that will be, I don't know the century. So, what I'm trying to say now, my brother, my sister, mama, papa, boys, girls, ladies, young men, you people have to believe this. It's not only Italy, but now Italy is really, really hungry. They are really, really bitter because of what our Nigeria people is doing over there. It's too much. Truth is bitter. That auntie that called now before I call, what she said is very good. Because some of them, they think, oh, yeah, because you have document, you can talk anyhow. Now you have document, that is why you are advising people. But the truth is bitter. It's a promised land. Great-grandchildren is coming. Yeah. The time our uncle come here 30 years ago, we didn't even dream of Europe. Now, we are still citizens. So, brother and sister, we have to maintain this country. Our children is growing. Grandchildren is growing. So, that name, Nigeria, we have to maintain it. Because of our children. If we think, oh, we can make our nuisance, we have to think about children that are coming. Maybe my daughter or my son want to be a lawyer tomorrow. They say, hey, your origin said mama is from Nigeria. So, oh, Nigeria. So it's happening now. When you see some children now, they want to do some activity in school. They have to go and look at where the mama or the father is coming from. Because of our nuisance. It's not, you people have to think about yourself and the rest people. Think about me. Think about your children. Think about your brother's children. Don't think, I don't do my own finish. I don't even do my own, even though the community concern me. Don't think that. We have to plan life for our sister, our brother, our children, because Europe is a promised land. They cannot stop it. We cannot come here. But the way we are doing, some of the Europeans, they can stop it. They don't need immigrants in their country. So easy.
So thank you very much.
So that is the plain truth. Please, brother, sister, we have to believe in what brother is just giving us as advice. Very important. Thank you, thank you.
Madam, please, your name, please.
Name is Kate, your sister, your humble sister.
Thank you very much.
Sir. Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you very much. Hello, you see now, she don't talk well, she don't talk good thing. We be say, we ourselves, Nigeria, we need to desist from a lot of things. Not when we dey tell our people, that caller. Hello, good morning. Hello, caller. Naptown speaker, hello.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Good morning, yeah.
Yeah, this is Julius. I'm calling
Julius, please, Julius, reduce the set where you for the look and reduce them.
Okay, you hearing me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I have to contribute to this issue on ground.
Yes.
There were certain things our people cease to understand. Most of us, we left our home because of one or two problems. After getting to this place, we are seeking for international protection. The same people that are seeking for international protection are the same people that are constituting users. You left your country because you want your life to be safe. And the people that you want to save you are giving them problems. How do you expect them to feel?
Mm-hmm.
How do you expect them to feel? You said you ran from your country because they want to kill you or because of one or two things. Then where you came to hide and you are constituting users there.
Okay.
Do you expect them to be happy with you? They cannot be happy with you. There is no way they can be happy with you because they don't want you to destroy their nation for them. You understand? That is for that. That issue of being racist. We Nigerians, we shouldn't be complaining about racists, especially the Christians. In Nigeria, are there no racists in Nigeria? There are a lot of racists. Yeah, there are a lot of racists in Nigeria. Even we Nigerians, we don't resist ourselves. Let alone foreigners. What most of us call racist is lack of communication. When you cannot communicate with somebody, you don't understand the language the person is speaking, then you'll be calling it racist. So I will be very happy if our people will should always remember where they are coming from. If you always remember where you are coming from, you should know the difference between where you are coming from and where you are now. You are in the camp, they are giving you 75 euro a month. And in your country, unless you being a government worker, there's no way your government will just wake up and give you money.
Okay.
If you are benefiting something in other country, this is a thing you cannot benefit from your country. You should appreciate these people. Put out working. They are giving you this money for pocket fuel, just pocket money in case you want to buy cigarettes or recharge card. Then you will still be giving them problem upon their money, upon their protection. These people are giving you maximum security that you cannot even get in your country. They give you a good right that you cannot constant right that you cannot get in your country. Good road that you cannot get in your country. Then you still be giving them problems. No, we should think twice. We should think twice. No, we don't need to give these people problems. They are just assisting us. We should appreciate their assistance. It's not by force. It's not by force. So I am really grateful and I am very, very happy with the kind of topic you brought into social media this morning. And I pray that God should give you the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. So that at least, because it's not everybody you tell something that will take. Let those that are here, let them hear. Those that don't are here, let them go to hell with them. You understand? Okay. Everybody must not benefit from Europe. Those ones that know the reason why they left their home, those ones that did not know the reason why they left home, that are still here to fight to constitute one or two users. When the nemesis come, they will face it.
Thank
but
you
my prayer
very much.
is that my prayer is that God should preserve the innocent one from these whole users that those useless ones are constituting.
Okay.
So my brother, I really
Thank you,
appreciate
Julius.
you.
I'm very grateful, Julius.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Do have a wonderful day. Stay
And you
blessed.
too. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. When I don't see people wey don come, people from Deutschland, from Italy, Julius come see come, you see that they bring out points. You know wetin dey this life wey we no know. A lot of us go not look news, we don't know wetin dey go on. When person come make you come understand, because it's like you make you not dey deform. This is an awareness to everybody. So come bring this to come and make everybody desist from a lot of things. Because Julius talk one thing just now, and truth, and that woman still make another point, still tell me another thing. May I deliberate on wetin they don talk so far now. Now I dey ask, person come dey stay with me for house. E dey my house, and the way I take dey do, wey that woman fake cut, the way I take dey do for my house. Now, if I sweep my domot, I put my shoe, I put am for near door. I put am near door, I dey carry am enter house, put am the slipper. If I baff finish, I clean the ground, the bedroom well, so that make water no dey ground. I leave am. But you wey come give me wey dey with me for house, when you enter the house, you go your slipper if you use am you put am for my parlour throway am. If you buy finish the bedroom, you go do wetin, you go leave am, you no go mop am. And then wetin you feel say I go do? I go tell woman, and my house me dey maintain my thing, you dey spell am, I go tell you to go. That statement, that point. And the same thing Julius talk, the other woman still talk. So you can't look for here, can't look for shelter. You will come look for the daily bread. At the end, these people will want help you. You can't dey constitute nuisance. You can't dey fight with them. You can't dey make una can't dey fool una self. We girls go naked fight. The boys go use cutlass fight. Everybody go do nonsense. At the end, what you say they go do? They must say because it us now all the various okomu. Okay, now they hold meetings according to their jurisdiction. But our people no go put ear down, make them know wetin dey go on. We no go forget those of us wey even dey can. If you know money wey dem dey pay you, federal government, our Nigeria government dey work how much dem receive a month. Some of them no dey receive that money wey you dey receive, wey dey give you some give you. But why we no go stretch from those attitudes? Na make these people now go almost become deliberate on it because a lot of us don bring shame to the society. Then when they help you now you dey insult them, you dey mess their up, you dey spread the land for their hand. How dem take help us? Na make this man come as the president come say war against immigrants. When he announce am war against immigrants, all the thing wey talk about dey let people know, but some people dey say as if say they don't know wetin we dey talk about. This guy come pray one prayer just now, Julius. He say we pray make the innocent one when this thing go dey happen make dem dey inside house. He say but the bad one wey be say no wan change, dem fit fall victim. But we dey pray those one wey know say wetin dey do no good, wey dey cause chaos for the land wey be say no be our land, make we all move and make we stop. We no dey fool ourselves, dey constitute nuisance. And I'll come pass this message as I dey do am so. That part, no, let me pick this caller. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay.
I forget to add something.
Yes.
Because like our people, then when they say when they come, they go say money when they give them. You not do. Say they want sit down, make they pay them. Make they pay them money when they go take build house or the one when they go take wear marker expensive cloth for Europe.
Yeah.
I want to tell them say for Europe here, the maximum payment for 1 hour is €7, €7.50.
Yes.
You are not a professional worker.
Yes.
And before you go to get €50 a day, even for the citizen, for people who get this country, you dey ask. If I dey wake up 5 o'clock, they go work. At the end of the day, maybe you will get €30 for a day, for the whole day.
Yes.
That's why they get €50 for the €48 a day. Now that's why they do 8 hours. So now we know they blame the country, say that the racist, that the this. Why we laziness don't make us laziness? Why Buhari say Nigeria youth are lazy? Everybody say na lie. Nigeria youth they are lazy. They want quick money. When the consider Sudan camp, you say now war I carry you from where you dey come. Now war that they fight for. Then now you run enter here. The war so we won't carry and come here. We don't want to go language school. We don't want to go anything. We don't want to do anything. Why other countries then they benefit? At the end of the day, this thing if it happen, now Nigeria go happen. Because nobody when they watch this your program today when go tell me say who they proud of Nigeria. Everybody is ashamed. At times where you work, if they ever ask me where are you from, you know you go they keep the country where you want to talk.
Yes.
Then they know they are not better than Nigeria. But our attitude don't make us that we don't get all that. We don't limit us a lot of things. It don't limit us. So we should think well. When we think, because this thing, we they think and say now joke that is going to be very tough. Because that's tough. Because 80% of Italians now they don't need immigrants again.
Okay.
So when we see how they're not giving documents, you won't fight them. You think fighting will bring out the documents? If you fight, they're going to say, now you fight back. May they carry you go this thing, go this. No. They will look well. Understand the language. So you will know what you press in the top. If this one will not do for Africa, now here we want to them. No. These people, they are very, if they don't want to answer you, you know they say they don't know what they should do. All this why they kept quiet because they look for me to take hold now. America don't start the own. America deported a lot of people to Nigeria recently. They should go and they should cross-check, eh? You don't start from some area. You want to see that you come for, you know, say they're not going to deport you. They go carry your people to do slaves. They go still deport you. More than they make they deport full everywhere, they say, because when you want to deport, you don't get documents. What do you make you say your picking are citizen? The people that have documents, do you know how they suffer to maintain the document, to maintain it to passport, to maintain and to reach Qatar? You are people that will get documents. When you get documents, you suffer for it.
Okay.
So people want to say they're not they give documents. You think when they don't give you documents, they will just give you passport so that you go to sleep for house. When you wake up, you go fight. When you fight, finish, you go house. No. Anybody when you get documents, go get passport. They go ask. When they will give you appointment for 8 o'clock, you go don't go till 4 o'clock, go to back for Questura.
Okay.
If people when they your name is up for you, they will not put up on them to come in. People when they they say they're not getting. Now when you come, when you say on let's go to ground. Now what teach people when they here? When they see you say they go say now the Europe when you say now, they not lie. Not the Europe when you there again. One of the fact people when don't say yes is they go forward and they look there because you never know these people. If you not say when they get experts, a lot of things come with the do. We're gonna think about before we do it. You cannot teach them their law and you cannot make them to change their law. So our smartness now, when they don't do something, we tell you say na lie, not they happen. The prayer you should not get to the person because when you come, you will see yourself for Nigeria. And then people when they run up and down, and they don't go this one, you don't happen for Italo, and they don't go to them, if they hold you, nothing to say Nigeria they go. So be very, all Nigerians should be very, very calm now. You want when they fight, you want to make the life low. Then change from their way. That is, when they say you are ready, they go ready for you. You when you need help, you say you're not ready. Why they go kill themselves for you?
Okay.
People they riot for money. Why you not say for years, the citizen, they know they sleep. The man, I saw a woman. The woman is almost going to 17 years now. 17, see they walk. Now this is my responsibility. Then she don't be grandmother, but she's still walking. Then we will sleep. And where they go work, now say man, say, see this woman now. She don't come here now since 5 o'clock to work. Then you go start for supermarket, you go to make this person give you money.
Okay.
No, we should struggle for ourselves and the motive what we take come, even if they say you be you and picking and you and give them to you. You will still respect yourself. Because if you get his father for Nigeria, if you call trouble for every day, the father go so you go running for police station. Or no?
Now you're on track.
So not so. Now if you say give you passport, they give you, they go still take them. They say you said I'm not good for power, but they go remove them. Now they give you. If they say what did they give you, you not merit them, they go take them from you.
Thank you very much, caller. Yeah.
So you should be very, very careful. And I also pray for those innocent ones that really know why they come here. May God protect them.
Amen.
May God protect them. And they should be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Mind people you mingle with, mind the association you go, where party they go. Because they go even start up both party and church. So we will know how we go take the waka. Anyway, if you don't get document and you require that when you say fight, they come out for there peacefully. Many people when you set the fight, make them use their head, carry their bad thing.
Thank you very
So
much.
that is all.
God bless you,
They
caller.
don't give us money, they don't give us money. Go and work. People for here, they work for money. Go and work for your money.
Okay.
You will not be produce money. This one are money when the country don't gather. They give you on the where for the happen before. Work. Learn language. Understand what people they talk. When I go school, when I know when something they happen or when something not they happen. not everything we do. We are now we did the wish when they worry ourselves.
Yes.
So let we be very very, very careful.
Okay.
Plan for your life now, whether deport or no deport, because when they deport you from here, you go Nigeria, go consider, go still kill you for the Nigeria. So be very, very careful.
Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you, sir.
Thank you, caller. God bless you. You don't advise us well. She talk. And what is she talk so now see her. And most of the things, come like say when president say Nigeria youth are lazy. People say why I say Nigeria youth are lazy. And the fact Nigeria youth are really lazy. We come on that land, person land. We don't want to see settle down, make we work. We will do our country, we dey find quick money. We do the want quick money. Why you not lazy? You lazy, be lazy, man. If they want make man like fall forever, man are not dey fall. You get 1 million they scream for Benin, they'll say Obo Aguina, Obo Magba, Obo Egbeme. Work with your hand. Murphy Face, Edo. Good morning, Murphy Face. You are welcome. I see you, Murphy Face. So we should try as possible make we remove our hand from crime. The situation where our Nigeria cities they go for Italy now. Most of them will go Nigeria. You see America. Say whether you ask whether America not deport many Nigerians to Nigeria. They deport. You say they deport now. But court what if you say they don't do so, they're going to deport you now if you say a lie. At the end, a lot of us will come they cry. You will come say, oh now no problem. No be no problem. No problem not make you they fight anyhow for street. Now people deport you. You get document. Now who give you fit taker? They give, they take our passport, Nigeria, but they write down. It doesn't belong to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Same the document where they give you. If you look at not be now they get and now they don't take out, now they give, now they don't take out. So my brother, my sister, where they Italy here, where they the whole you go, may I not use all later. So say me I told you because why they use that because of the waiting lower place now. Make our people, may we change because they don't make a lot of references where be say rich may we take change. If you really look into that references, your whole house, I come your house. I come your house. You what you do for your house, I come they change out for you. This person won't give me something. Hello. Hello. Adesho. Where you dey? Hello. Hello. I dey hear you. If I later if I add up, you come now. You come give me the cash. Me I give you, okay? If I try the program later we talk, okay? So now be waiting at the talk. Okay, say Igbo Germany is deporting Nigeria back home. You say na Igbo Germany. You know what our people do? Hello, good morning, caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
I want you help me tell them. I enjoy your program.
Thank you.
I want you still tell them, say, no, some people when they get pikin, when they say they don't fit deport, so they don't pass law 3 years ago. Who get pikin when you misbehave? They go take your pikin from your hand. They go deport you.
Okay.
They will sell the pikin out.
They'll sell the pikin out.
Yes, now.
Okay.
That's what they do.
Okay.
They will sell the pikin out, adopt out, then you they will deport you go. And if you get documents, if you misbehave, they will take your document and they will Sierra.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So we advise our people, those ones when they do shorty, if they do supermarket, front of supermarket, they beg money, they don't give, they don't insult the people, not
Okay.
by force.
Okay.
You understand? Because shorty not be bad thing to do. If you do the right, will not be bad thing.
Okay.
It's better to do shorty than to thief
Okay.
or to sell market.
Okay.
But if you go do it in a responsible way, when you greet them, you tell them they don't grow. If they don't give you, you go, you salute them. The one go give you, the one not go give you, no go give you. because Savini when he did now, they know Savini did. They know Allega. Now we're ready to deport all Nigerians. They don't feel like Nigerians before.
And they tell them, so no. Thank you, my sister.
Savini don't like. So many they respect themselves. Both who get so, both who not get so, the two sides though. Because Savini is the talker every day. He's ready to flush everybody.
Okay.
So I go advise them. Those ones say it's a big fight, so those ones say they insult, so who know they buy billet, so both billet and everything. Because you know, go come somebody country, no, go buy billet, where you enter box. It's important, buy billet, so for Nigeria, you go enter box, you don't pay money.
Okay.
They buy billet, so you go, no, buy billet, so you know, beg, you see the cost billet to prego. All those things so good, they go take and deport many people. Our Nigerians, may they hear words, Leg away don't enter now. If now every day you go to talk about this matter, the man not take and play. He go flush many extraordinary. Go flush there.
Okay.
Thank you, my brother. Now,
thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, my sister. Una hear now, call us see talk. He say una see the eye. And they say person will talk, just when not they watch Charlie, will write me. You hear it, they say every day, I talk and say every day announcement for telly. She dey even dey work now. He ready to flush. People feel say this man dey joke. And those of una wey feel say una born say don dey deport you with pikin. The law wey dey first pass through say am. Don deport you sell your pikin. And the first dey do that for you. They don't even sign am well. Last year renew again say you wey get pikin you say because I don born. They not fit they carry pikin deport. They collect document. Person document deport. Let them hear, listen, yeah, those that have here, Raymond gave her, thank you. You will get pikin. You feel say you carry belle too. You misbehave woman. They go see deport you. Savani, no come joke. Oh. If you see her say, this Savini, he no come joke. Oh, the new prime minister, una feel say they joke. He don't even give a fuck, man. But he no one hear. He say wetin dey talk na he say he wan do. But you wey fit say dey joke, you wey fit say na lie. I don do my part as an ambassador. Dey play this advice to my fellow Nigeria. Maybe say tomorrow and any of your fellow Nigeria come call Nigeria come say my brother, this your day of the sins wey dey deport me. Abeg you fit help me with 2,000 naira. You wey pay the same money dey dash people now. You come dey beg your fellow person wey dey you say help me with 2,000 naira. Why I talk this thing show? Many people go hear, some no go take am, dem fall victim. Why some go hear and dem go take am? But one boy right just say anything I will pluck, make you swing, say pluck, cut it out of you. And I dey talk the little different thing wey people dey write there. So na the same thing, wetin you know say e go make you lead to deportation. E go make you lead to where you no suppose to be, as this man don talk am. Savani don talk well now. Make we amend our ways, fellow Nigeria. If you see now, our problem dey lies within our hand. Make we hear o. No say ambassador no pass this good news come out. Because a lot of us no dey lis ten to tell me. A lot of us na just to watch one video. A lot of us na to go look for wetin we just dey find is sharp money. So you wait, you say you can't fool yourself. Okay, say even Germany is deporting. But una fit say na joke. Make my people, and they give advice because we know where we for come. We come here, come look for our daily bread, for better life for our children, for our we. We know to get. We came from, our family is not that rich, wealthy, that is. No, if our family be billionaire, we don't go come here. Some of us say their family are multi-billionaire. Some still come because some those one depend on their family money. Also because also. But basically like us, we come also for ourselves to take up our people. Because we not be millionaire. Those of you when say be like you, when we say not be millionaire, we see this also they find waiting go eat food. Make we try. Make we desist from this crime. We you come also. You where they work. Concentrate on your work. Thank you, Smith Clinton. Concentrate on your work. He say you wey dey do shorotly. If Oyibo no give you money, no insult am. Stay there so we do your shorotly comot. So Oyibo will even come where you do shorotly, you come find your trouble sef. But no answer am. Concentrate on those wey wan give you wetin you want. You take am. No insult anyone wey no give you money. Leave am. God wey create you, he don make a way for you already. He will form you your mother's womb, know wetin you wan become in future. But when you you come wan take, you want that is, you want make am fast. At the end, you go for yourself where you no suppose. Na there adano go come. And anything wey be adano no be good thing. That is why he said many are called, few are choosing. I don broadcast and give people the choosing one wey go accept am, wey go follow this my word wey I talk. At the end go yield fruit for una. Yes, it's only a stubborn fly that follow the cause to the grave. So my people, make we try here. This president no wan play with anybody. As I dey talk now, una go feel say, oh sorry, I don pick your no be lie. May we amend our ways, because we come from my country. Good morning.
Hello, bros. Good morning, sir. I dey follow your program.
Thank you very much, my sister.
Why e be say our Nigeria they bring bad name to us? Our Nigeria for Italy, make una leave fight. Fight no good. I watch news this morning. This thing never happened before for Germany. Now don't come put on a virus, come put for Germany. Germany, no, they do that kind of thing. If you be Nigeria, you there for Germany, you dey fight. Leave fight, Germany, not be ready for the fight.
What happened for Germany, my sister? Hold on, tell her what happened for Germany this morning.
This morning, I noticed say they go fight for Munich, but Nigerian people were there for Munich. Where they fight because of Aduro money, they could not leave fight. They go fight for Munich, not na yesterday. They go fight for Munich, French people and Nigerian people. They could not leave fight. Our Nigerian brothers and sisters fight not good. Because me, I know they do Facebook Live. They be say today, I want to call them, make I advise them. Germany not be a person for the fight. Say you go fight, you go free. You not go fight for Germany, make you go free. You not fit slap with German police, maybe say you go free. If you fight German police, they go deal with you, They go deal with you. You go hate Deutschland because now nowadays. Me, I not like anything where be say if you can't be say you can't affect our Nigerians. Because if they talk now, they go say Nigeria. They go nobody where racist not there. Even them itself, racist day. This our city, so where we there. So look out for map. Magdeburg nowadays for Germany. Okay. This place is not good at all. For now the highest of races. And if you do any, you be black, you disturb police, they will give you trespassing injection. If they give you injection finish, they'll carry you go back Africa. Who they sick, you not go know anything. Because I notice if you see the fight, na person I be say this, I say I bring up. Now my friend I tag up for me say, make I look at our Nigeria carry French people go they do.
They carry the way. My sister, Nigeria can't call French people join, they can't go they fight. Because money.
They can't go they fight, they can't go they call both say they be racist. That kind of thing not good. Me, I know they like say wait, be say tomorrow we will come they spoil our name, they go say who do this one, they go say na Nigeria. Who do this one, they go say na Nigeria. That kind of thing, it not they good like that. They carry French people, Nigeria, they carry French people join body because Francophone, French people, not they do that kind of thing. I surprised that was the first time for me to see French people say they do that kind of thing. They say na Nigeria. According to what me, they say na Nigeria, now I carry them here body. Now I call them, make they come. Police they guide them, they not agree here. They hold them, they're not here. Okay. Then they call, they say they be racist. Say Oyibo they be racist. Nobody where racist not there. Our brothers were there for Italy. Make una leave fights. Now money we can't find. They say good name is better than riches. Good name is better past 10 million. If the place where we there is better, we not go call Europe. Maybe now if our Nigeria now is better for us. You go call Europe, brother.
No.
Everybody go there for a country. Our country not good. We get bad system. Now make us come here. I beg our brothers and our sisters wey dey for Italy, people wey dey naked dey fight, more than dey fight. Because it's about to say now only our Nigeria and everything for the come. Now for the naked dey fight.
Carry baby, maybe they talk with the ear, carry her.
Now only for our Nigeria, now that the naked they fight. You go see them. You go see them say that they fight for train station for Italy. They go naked they fight. That kind of fight is not good. You they fight with you go they fight with your own fellow black when you come fight. When you come fight money like you, some of them they go carry this thing. What do they call a knife? They stab each other. Blood go they throw away. That one I like. How they say make Oyibo people think they look us. They go they look us as like animals. They're going to look at like say those people they are not responsible. They be animals. They don't know what they want because Oyibo the thing say maybe say we will be black when it there for here, when they for Europe here. We don't know what we want because really not truth. Anything Oyibo talk concerning us not true because now we put ourselves. How a mature boy when you know say you know suffer from Nigeria, you enter in-laws, you come Europe, you pass water, you come, you reach here, you begin a fight. They fool yourself. The fight when you fight, why you not fight for Nigeria? Why you not go meet all those governments when they steal our money? When you begin to fight with them, they not go answer you. You go reach Europe here, begin to fight. May they go language school day, Italy school day, Germany here, no time when you go reach, no camp when you go reach, when school no day. May they go school. I know say to get paper for Deutschland is not easy. But if you go school where say you go school, you they read, then they look you say you are ready to stay, they go give you paper. Because that's why I tell give me too. If you stay for Germany, say you there for Germany, I want to our Germany brothers when they did there and our sister, when they there for Aduro camp, make una life useful. Not be say una go there for there, una go begin the fight, begin the brick quarrel, begin to do this one. All those kind of things, it's not good. And una they let we Nigerians, they let us down. If una know so that they fight, una not go meet our president when they chop money. If una go meet what it be name that man, what it be name Buhari, una tell us say today, or una go meet Obaseki say today, we want fight. You know go answer una. They go answer una now all those ones they chop una, all those ones, all this Europe na help the day oh Iyobo eyiereje na help na the day. Yobe at home eyiereje. Make una not put una frustration to the fight. They will come deport the innocent ones. The bad egg when it you call it the deport the innocent one. That kind of why not good for inside, pa. Now be my contribution for inside this matter.
Thank you.
Let the fight. Fight not good. It be na your mercy. You kill your fellow Nigeria when you can't find money here. What you say, my mama do? Mama will come see you tomorrow. Say now you kill the pikin. You go they follow you, they happy. See those girls that day now when you carry acid pour for a fellow woman body. If mama now go here, they go they clap for that one. Say do what we take you see pikin. Or may take put the pikin for bed. Okay. My brothers and my sisters, make una stop fight. Fight not good at all. May una stop fight. May we make our country great. Me I not sabi do live video. If to say I do live video, maybe this matter now for don't come out. Even if I see her this morning when I ready my children for school, I was pissed off. Say, see they still carry the same this thing. They still carry a come here. They still carry this fight of Italy. They still carry a come Germany. Make una live at our brothers and our sister. Una way there for Germany here. If they give una negative, make una go take lawyer. If una take lawyer, they go answer una. If una take lawyer they answer for this country. Make una take lawyer. Before they pay you 320 or 370, they started to pay you 150. Go take lawyer. Put eye for your book. Not do any and not follow police fight. Because you follow police fight for Germany here, they will give you injection. You can't begin a month. They not make you the case. Now they'll not mind. They'll carry 5 years document. They'll carry give you because that document will be useless. If they give you that document, you not go feel waka. You not go feel go down your country when make you the fight. They do bodo. You not go fit. You not go feel go that country because people don't give you. I know many people for here for this place where this for this our area when it be Aduro, whether because of francophone, they give the injection. All of them they demand. They go carry 5 years injection, give them 5 years paper. The paper will be useless. The paper number one you can never use to go to your country. Unless now your country people now they will come when love you, they will come carry you go back home. Make make dem leave fight. The one wey still dey for Italy, if na soro you dey do, face your soro, no insult anybody. No man or Igbo man or Igbo woman when they insult you, because even the time of Jesus said, now they start to the insult. Make una bear the insult. Make it be say wetin una dey fight, e reach una hand. Not be said to fight. If your fellow black, he curse you, leave and make it go. Because the curse when he curse you, you no go comot any stain for your body. You no go comot your surname, comot for your name. You no go comot anything. More na face una life, make una dey go. Than say to fight, to come dey disgrace yourself. If they can't deport you back home to Africa, when they want deport una go now, you will still get mind to pass desert. Say you can't still pass, come. For Deutschland deport you now 5 years. You cannot enter Deutschland. If you come Deutschland the past 5 years, they will still deport you again. That's why they go on 5 good years for Deutschland here. Make una leave fight to fight not good. Now money will come fight for this country. Make una face una life. If na school, more na go. If na work, more na work. That's why I know this, bros.
Thank you very much, caller from Germany. So I see advice to those of the way they fight, where they show. So you say they show this movie fight for Germany. You know why everybody don't see say she see talk well. No, everybody get the way they come out. She come out with all temper, they speak her mind. She can't have view in a way at the end. She can't get good result. She can't talk and well. Can't bring out the friend come out from both the Germany and the Italian side. I make her come out like what your sister talk. So make our people just stay away from this thing. So make everybody just change. Make the change from the attitude. Our people where they claim in Nigeria, we go to fight because of money just now. Make una change. Now this year can't come out with the topic where the past come out. Say make everybody change their attitude, their manner of behavior. Because he said if they say give you 5 years, they give you a gesture of madness. Nigeria, you no go again. Where you dey wait money where you find, you no go screen again. And equivalent to our people where they tell where I bring come and I focus me and make and generalize them to the whole you go. Now make I bring this topic come and say advice to all Nigerians living in Italy, stroke in Europe, that you stay away from crime and disease as the topic where I put there to desist from crime. Because according to the law where they can't they put now to eradicate foreigner out of the country. So my people, where be say one content where we have the good Nigerians here, we know the constitute nuisance, we know they put themselves. But inside there we can't get the bad ones. Where be say you want to use their oath for another one. He want use you wear white. He want use oil take spoil your wife. And when he pour oil for your wife, automatically he dump to your wife. You don't come take pure again. Now make I pass this message to those of us as our sister and our brothers don't talk and our women we don't come both from Deutschland but where they call sis. If we feel change, this thing where they said now to eradicate Africa, eradicate Nigeria, you will see say changes go come. Make we look at this well. This riot demonstration what we dey do for this Europe so where they not give us money. We have fit to our government. Our leader not good. But we don't do this as they talk about we go peaceful demonstration like we don't do it. Now here when they help you, we gonna mess up. My brother don't show you go Africa. I don't talk my part. Those are happy here, let them here. This contribution where everybody talks for enough is enough. I make references to una just now. Say my okay now your own eyes or my own eyes. Now me get eye. You see say if I bath finish, I go clean the bedroom, I go mop and well make water no dey ground. If I wear shoe come, I go put up for balcony, make the odor comot, make sun enter. Okay now when you come as my friend wey I put for house. Okay, for you come visit me, for you to follow the step I tell them maintain my house, you go come for outside that shoe now, so wear shoe the odor you leave am for my parlour. Okay, you go enter bedroom, you go bath finish and you go water go full ground, you no go mop am. How you feel say I go happy with you? How you feel say I go dey nice with you? I go either tell you to quit out of my house or I'll push you out. Now if these people they do so, now the example now I give una so. Those who happy here, let them hear. According to my sister Vero, he said make I not stand like this. And they see comment. He said make I sit down like sheep gidigba. Now Vero, I don't hear your own my sister. I don't sit down like the chief, And as an ambassador, he said make I sit down as a chief. So now he good money, Lolo good money. I beg my country people. When I see this advice, this reference is where I make so. Make we try change you. who dey give person food, dey give person na person God o. Person wey dey give you shelter na your God o. Wetin we no fit benefit our country, we dey benefit am for dis land o. Make we do away with our attitude. Nowhere racist no dey, according to our brother talk. Nigeria, Igbo go resist Benin, Benin go resist Ishan, Yoruba go resist Igbo, Hausa go resist the same racist in our country. That we talk about segregation, tribalism, e dey take place. Rather than you coming to another master wey even dey give you money, dey feed you, wetin you feel say that person go do to you? That one say we lead deliverance and cleansing by a great man of God. That deliverance and cleansing wey you see talk about, we will do that deliverance and cleansing by grace, and na men of God wey pure in heart na go fit cleanse people. You understand? Because this thing wey we come pass to our people, abeg make we try amend our ways. Make we see say change is come dey our society. And we Nigeria, make we come dey proud of ourselves. Make we not come use this land wey we dey, come use am turn to our own country. When we know say if dem deport us, na problem o. Egbe don gas. Make una know. Make una call people wey dem don deport, make dem tell you the story. Make una call. Now una know the pain. You know say dey sweet that you no go know. Oh Raymond, thank you, Gefa. Make una show some love to me o. Say make una show love to me. Show love to me o. Raymond Gefa, make una show love. If una love my discussion today, make una show love to me. Make I receive the love from una. According to Raymond Gefa, I say make una show some love. Just see show some love to me. May I see feel the love. Una give me love. You understand? Now so now this love go see the ginger me to the carry on. Na good work now see they do. You understand? You know say none of us perfect. But now make we try, make we eradicate those crime coming for our society. Now we dey try make we do. Thank you, Edith. Me for giving me love. All of now wey give me love, God will bless me now. Una thank you, una give me love. Oh. That's why I give me love. I show me love all of una wey dey this program today. I really thank that my brother wey say make una show some love to me, because it is not easy. Make we carry on. So now make God give us the strength to carry on. You understand? One day through this media, wetin we dey talk so, lot of us go change, go amend our way. Even me myself wey dey do am, there's certain things wey dey wey I feel dey do before, but I see change. So I make am. So I see they amend my way. Now make I come pass and make all of us try. Make we desist from those things. I thank everybody for giving me love. I thank all of una so now they give me love. God go bless una. God go bless una. Na good thing go dey follow una so now take give me love. So the bad thing wey dey this Europe no go be una portion. Na the good side of the Europe, the good land, the good oil wey dey this land, I go be una own. As una step una fit anywhere una step una fit part of the Europe, Asia, whether you dey Russia, you dey Canada, you dey America, you go possess the goodness of that land. Na it go be your portion. But the bad thing of that land no go be our portion. But una say amen. So shall it be in Jesus' name. Go better for all of us. Wetin we come for, we go see am. So far make we no go do wetin no suppose. Wetin dey against for the land, the law of the land. Make we no do wetin dem no want. Because the law of the land, they get their constitution, we go abide with their law of their constitution of the land for the growth of their country. So now, so if every one of us get our own constitution, even as clear now we dey talk about this issue of European. Even as see now all churches get their constitution, they get their doctrine. The doctrine of the churches now they ban the members of the church. You understand? Now so it still be to us, you understand? So now so it still be to us. If we do that man, Lord, if you see my call, you be invite me. Raymond Gefa from Mekenwa Road na Edo First e dey stand for all. Thank you very much. God bless you. So my people, make we try desist from all this thing. As church get doctrine, get constitution wey dey bind each church, na so Europe get, and Nigeria still get their own law, na so e be. Na im make I dey advise us, if you see church go say according to the doctrine of the church. So you know say na wetin dey follow us, so no do according to their doctrine. You see all churches, why different churches dey get their God, na so e do it for all Europe o. Make we try, make we waka good waka, make we no go kick against their law, their constitution, their doctrine. Make we no fall victim of the bad leader wey go dey rule, because when bad leader take over power, automatically the people go dey use hand dey monitor their hair, make something no go, make wound no fall for their hair or stone, or wanted stone come from corner you come fall. So that is why we need to first of all guard our tongues, guard our legs and our hands, where we dey go and wetin we go do and wetin we no suppose do, where we waka go, where bad things dey, we no go use our leg go there go fall for that victim. Na make I come tell all of una. So make we try amend our ways. Na the message. Yes, even witches and wizards get constitution sef. Yes, na witches and wizards get constitution. Yes, na dey get for their meeting. Na make I dey tell my people, you see, and sometimes this one no resist, but na the way wey we still take do our thing, because dem give us their constitution but we no abide. No, we no get constitution. Ogbanje get constitution, they get their own law. When you tell no, if you see all different, everybody get constitution. So abeg, may we try, may we amend our ways, may we walk uprightly, so that this country go favour us. Good morning, Joy Rose Robinson. Abeg, na beg I come beg everybody, and may we Nigeria, may we no dey use mouth dey eat ourselves for social media. I can't tell us that one. As the members of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, let's come together and work for the betterment of our country. And I can't use this media, I can't enlighten people on the 2019 election. 2019 election, what we dey talk about? We were for where we know the way we take so make we call our parents, our mother, make they wash well before they cast their vote. May all of them go register. May they wash well before they cast their vote. And may they cast their vote, may they look the young person wey be say it will be the best for them. That young person, may we still look if we try young person, if we go see carry Nigeria forward. So may we tell our parents, may they not go sell their birthright out, may they try, so that we wey dey here, we will still know say our country go change. Because we never know go change that Nigeria. That's me I can't tell una today. You understand? Abeg, I dey beg una. Abeg, our people, may we tell our people 2019 election, may we cast our vote for the appropriate person. But we see the watch. I never use the talk say cast your vote on this person, cast one. But I see the watch. May we look who ready to give us light. And who want give us light, now we will cast our vote for. May we tell our people who come out with balance, say his first motive is light. And before we will see the changes. So anyone will never put light for his own banner, say this is my go where I take come out. Say this is thing. Now I want to. Even I not see her, you know, light no day, but I don't mind them. Anyone will tell say want change your community, want create job opportunity. Without you never tell say want create, they want provide light. But I not vote for them. But I tell our partner, man, brother and sister wey dey Nigeria, tell her say EJ, mommy, if una not do this one, I not go send money give you now. If una want make like dey our country, so that make them know say we will dey Europe, we see the snuffer. Now be the best thing. So I don't talk today. Today well, I want to come to an end of the show. People don't talk, we don't call. So today I want to come to the end of the show. I appreciate everybody who come today, come really talk on this program. Those who call and those who don't call. I appreciate all of you. And those who wish me happy birthday, I appreciate all of you. I thank everybody. And today, the show won't get to an end now. It can't be tomorrow. And when I also forget my birthday, the ambassador Up here they talk show birthday. When I see wish me birthday that day. Oh. Now don't forget, say now the 4th be my birthday of July. Lolo Gold. I invite. You know send me request now. Lolo Gold. If you send I invite you, send me request, then I'll dey try wan see you. Send me request, may I pick you. Lolo Gold, Lolo Gold, Lolo Gold. Lolo Gold, I dey try to check you here. Lolo Gold, I don't see you, send me request. Send me Lolo Gold, I don't see you, send me request. So I will invite you because you get something where you want to talk. Lolo Gold, I will try, I want to invite you, send me request. I will try. I not see you, Lolo Gold. Let me check through here. May I invite you, since you say you get something to say, to contribute. You have been one round up now. May I look Lolo Gold contribution. Lolo Gold. So Lolo Gold. So I told you how they talk. So be say it will come to an end very soon. And all of us will dey here. May we change Lolo Gold. I want to try look you for here. If I can see you. You understand? So it good make we change from our ways. Thank you, Raymond Ogeva. So make una not forget to. At my birthday the next week now you all come be so. So you don't hear. So those of you now when I see wish me happy birthday in advance, and that day, my birthday is July 4th. You know that great men are born on July. No, I say all of them be great people how much. No, as soon as they talk now we see talk our own. But I'm July 4th. You know, America celebrate their birthday on the 4th of July. And they are independent on the 4th of July. And I celebrate my day. A son, a great man was being given birth on that day, which I remain the boy, FA. July 4th is my day. It's my birthday. The day when my mama carry me for 9 months, you can't say that day, now you go put me. God can't say that day I go come up from. Now I can't come down. We'll be sick. They don't use me turn to blood to way. They don't fear quiverable. That day, my partner not fear quiverable. He really do give mama. Can't be sad at the end. I can't come live. So now I can't pass it. July 4th, yeah, it's my day. So I love everybody. And to my fellow Nigeria, make we stay away from crime. Wait till they talk for Italy. Make we know say for the betterment of our country and for betterment of you and I. Make we not use our mouth to spoil our name. So thank you everybody. As the show done, they come to an end. So Lolo Gold, I love to see you. Make I invite you. So I want to give una so make una enjoy as an ambassador. They give una a lovely thank you, Vero Abies. Vero Abies, what are you going to give to ambassador for his birthday? Vero Abies, what is my gift? Vero Abies, which gift you want? Thank you, Ephraim Orabato. What will be my gift on that day for my birthday? Vero, my birthday gift. What you go print for me? I will not go give me gift. My people. Only me. Only I will do. Yes. Now not give me gift. I bet more now. Hold on. Sorry. What thing happen with this thing? I'll go now. Put it on. My birthday gift. I bet more now. Excuse me. I dey go. What thing you do? So you understand? So my people, I'm sorry. You understand? So I be go to get I be disconnect my thing. I be try something. So my country people, una do well for today. Today can't be saying a day. We be say una all of una. Raymond, our brother Edo first on Facebook for his birthday. Thank you very much. So why you book I gave? I know you were disconnected in the set. When I connected, you disconnected, so I can't book any contact. So you understand? So my people, when I wish me happy birthday in advance, I want to touch again. We don't because we bring your book here. Mudia, okay, no again. So I understand. No, hold on. You go well. So Mokin, I wish me happy birthday in advance. You understand?
Okay.
So check out to do upside. Check out pay your book and so. Hello. Okay. So why are you booking what do you mean? So you understand? Now they talk say as an ambassador, I don't talk show. Wait, may I remove this thing? So look at story as soon as they wish me more than sorry. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you. My wait, Vera, whether I'm Vero, I be Vera, very, whether I'm very. You not bring my gift for me, okay? Vero, I be also Azua, Raymond giver. Where be my birthday gift? Where my birthday gift? Now they give ambassador gift. Okay, now send me love that day. Ambassador go shop work. If pastor they do birthday now, everybody go provide for pastor. Me now they talk. Una no go provide, una no go say ambassador. Today na your birthday, this one na for you. So now you, I don't do my work. I don't give my good advice. Thank you, Joan Dosowa, for wishing me a lovely happy birthday in advance. So no, I don't forget. Say the day they come, the actual day is coming, which I want make everybody really wish me the birthday. Now yeah. So now you. No, I enjoy this music small. Do my volume small. That's all I hear. Thank you. So, okay, may I pick this one? Osas Gabriel. So, I don't accept you the last one. When I hear you say enjoy, let's go. When I enjoy music small, so they go. Yes, sir. Remember, no mame. Vincent Lucky Simon Echoes, thank you, you're welcome. Oh, remember. I'll dance on my birthday day for you. Oba Matthew, I'll dance that day for my birthday for you. Ba. Oh, no. No. Oh, your head good. As I say, be one I will remember. Oh no, mama. If you don't say your head be good, maybe stay away from crime for Europe. Okay. Love everybody. Thank you, Ojo Love Tedopolo. You are welcome. You are enjoying Nigeria. Ojo Love Tedopolo. Bring my Ojo Love. Bring my gift come for Nigeria for me. Vero Abel Sasuwa. You say Chief Efe, I respect you. Thank you, my beloved sister. At nice music, now giving her this music. No, not to enjoy this music before I dey go. This Ojo Love it. Bring my gift to. If you come from Nigeria, send her come through my birthday gift. Mona send my gift. So Mona enjoy the music as it's getting to an end. Love you all. Remember, your head good. Dance for this music. Enjoy. Love you too, Obama too. Oh, thank you, Ojo Love it. I don't belong. Oh, no, mama. Good morning. Thank you. I'll be expecting it. Okay. Oh. Mama, if you oh. Oh.